Good day, my fellow teachers. Welcome to today's workshop on integrating media into grade 7 EMS classrooms. My name is Ridwan Khaldi and I'm excited to share practical strategies and examples that can transform how you teach economic and management sciences. Today's heading is Leveraging Media in EMS Education, Enhancing Engagement and Learning Outcome. Today we will focus on 4 key objectives. First, we'll explore how media can make EMS more engaging and relevant for young learners. Second, I'll share specific tools and examples tailored to grade 7 content. Third, we'll address common concerns and implementation. Finally, you'll leave with concrete plans to try these strategies on your own. Why media in EMS education? Media isn't just about making lessons more entertaining. It offers substantial educational benefits. For example, it creates authentic learning experience that mirror real economic and management scenarios learners might encounter in real life. For example, capture the students' attention and interest, connect abstract concepts to real-world applications, develop critical thinking and digital literacy, accommodate for different learning styles. That is very important. Aim to improve storytelling tools. Let's look at the different media types we can incorporate. Videos are excellent for showing a real-world application of EMS concepts. Interactive simulation allows students to experience economic decision-making firsthand. Infographics help visualize complex data. Podcasts bring expert perspectives into the classroom, and social media is another bonus as projects let students apply their knowledge creatively. Benefits of media integration. Number 1. Engagement. Dynamic content keeps students focused. Number 2. Real-world context prepares learners for future challenges. And number 3. Accessibility. Flexible learning options and easy to access. Assessment provides alternative evaluation methods using media. For example, when teaching basic economic concepts, show a 5 to 7 minute documentary about a local business. After viewing, have the learners identify examples of needs versus wants, opportunity cost, and the scarcity within the business operations. This makes abstract concepts easy. Addressing implementation concerns. Access to technology solutions for various resource levels, screen time, balancing digital and traditional methods, assessment, evaluating media-based assignments, and circumference alignment, ensuring media supports learning outcomes. I know many of you might be thinking this sounds great, but what about our limited technology resources? Let's address these concerns directly. We'll explore low-tech options, discuss how to balance screen time with hands-on activities, and develop rubrics for assessing media projects. We'll also ensure everything we discuss aligns with the grade 7 EMS curriculum. Guys, this is a short video on what type of videos would be beneficial in the classroom. So we'll have a look at it and then move to the next slide. Infographics are perfect for data interpretations. After collecting market research data, learners can create visual representations that highlight key findings. This will help them understand how businesses communicate with the information efficiently. Examples and tools that you can use for infographics are Canva, podcasts are my favorite media to use within the classroom, as it's a real life experience from people that went through the entrepreneurship journeys. As this video is just an example, we can have a look through it, and us as educators can see how much we will learn of the simple podcast as a conversation between two people. So educators, our presentation has come to an end, and our key takeaways are: start small and build gradually. Focus on alignment with learning outcomes. Leverage free low-cost resources as it is best, but paid ones will make it easier for you. Collaborate with colleagues for support, as it will make it much easier on you and your colleagues for future benefiting the learners. Remember, you don't need to transfer your entire curriculum overnight. Start with one media integrated lesson, assess how it works, and build from there. Always ensure that the media you choose directly supports your learning objectives. It's very important. And most importantly, lean on each other for support and ideas as educators. Thank you.